Okay, so this one here, as Noah was telling me, is a little bit trickier. It can be, all right? Because negatives, you have to be very, very careful for the negatives. Can someone be brave and give me the whole row all the way down? Jenna, go.
-1.
Okay.
1, 3, 5.
-1, 1, 3, 5. Okay, so where that came from, if you're watching here, please, hold on, please. So what happened was -3 minus -2 is like -3 plus 2, so that's -1. -2 minus -3 is like -2 plus 3, which is 1. 1 minus -2 is like 1 plus 2, so that's 3, and then 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay, can someone other than Jenna please be brave and give me the second differences? Yeah, go ahead.
2, 2,
2,
2.
2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, which is nice. Okay, can somebody tell me if the second differences are 2? What does that tell me? Quadratic, okay. Okay, we're going to graph this out now. I do want you to graph this, Aiden, okay, because this is, please take a second to actually do this. I'm going to go probably up to -4 on the left to leave extra space, okay? So if you didn't hear me the first 5 times I said it, I'm going to say it again. Leave a little extra room on the left if you would. Okay, to go to probably about -3 or -4. I'm going to do a little bit of a extension here of the graph, all right? So here's my y. I have to get up to 6. Shouldn't be a huge problem. Whoops, I didn't mean to. Okay, let's do workout Wednesday on the board. Okay, let's you do laugh at everything, that's awful. Okay, all right. Okay, so I'm going to graph my points here. So -2 should be at -2. -1 should be at -3. 0 should be at -2. 1, can I continue, please? Can I continue, please? 1 should be at 1. And 2 should be at 6. Now I asked you to leave the left-hand column out for a sec. Okay, because here's one thing I just want to talk about. Parabolas are actually going to be a mirror image. Okay? So if we were to extend the second difference, we're not going to do this today, but the way it would work is here. Since this point, we have, this is called the vertex, the middle of the graph, so there's going to be a perfect balance on each side. So we have 0 goes to -2, and then -2 goes to -2. What's the next point on the left going to be, please? Hannah, go.
1.
Yeah, it's definitely, it's going to be at 1 somewhere. Okay. Yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to move over here. This is an extra point, I'm going to put it in there. So if you, basically just for balance, okay, so if you take a look, over 1, up 1, over 1, up 1, over 1, up 3, so again, over 1, up 3. They're just going to be balanced on each side, okay? So what's the next point going left here going to be?
-5 and 6.
Yeah, -4 and 6, but yeah, -4 and 6. So all I'm doing is I'm just sort of continuing the balance, okay? So the reason I wanted to show that is I wanted to show us our graph in full form. Oh goodness, it actually make. This is the glorious graph of example 1C right there. Okay, so that's what a parabola looks like in full. It looks like a U. That's what it looks like. You can look at it all. There's a few ways to look at it. I use this. I'll use Spider-Man often in this course because that's Spider-Man sitting on his left. So nice. Okay. Also, you can think of it as. Again, there's parabolas can also be upside down. So the biggest application of parabola you can ever see is, watch my marker here, please, catch it. There's a beautiful parabola just like that. Okay. So basically, it's parabola sort of quadratic. It's a parabola. So when you're playing basketball or volleyball or soccer, and you kick a soccer ball at the goalie, the ball will go like this. Okay, that's your parabola. So all sorts. They're not actually. They're all. I've seen you guys play. Okay. Sorry, that was me. Homework. Oh, these are so easy. So. Homework is going to be page 137, number 2 and 4. That's it. Okay, so I'm going to do a warm-up tomorrow that'll involve this one that shows you how to get the points on the left if you need to, how to get extra points on there.
Wait.